How to change your username on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your username on Facebook. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. In order to change your username on Facebook, simply go ahead and open up Facebook. Once here, you can tap on the hamburger icon at the top right below the messenger icon, and then head into settings by tapping on the settings or the gear icon. Now here, after the latest update, you'll find the option Account Center right there on screen. Tap on it. Now here you can head into the option that says Profiles. Once on the profiles, you can head into your particular account there if you have multiple accounts connected. Then you can see the username tab. Tap on username, and now you can see no username for Facebook. If you do have one, you'll find it right here. You can change it if the username is available. So if the username is available, you'll be able to see and you can save it. So this is how you can change your Facebook username. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.